pronunciation, L and R sound with the other alphabet. Hello, welcome to jjomjjomenglish. Today we will work on pronunciation, L and R sound with other alphabet. In the first video, we went over 11 sounds of alphabets that are difficult. Do you remember? B, V, F, P, L, L. Sh, th, f, ch, and z. These are the things that you have to remember to follow. Number 1, right sound. Number 2, location of your tongue. Number 3, shape of mouth. Number 4, record yourself. Number 5, if you have a question, ask. These are the list. L combination. L, B, K, D, L, F, G, L, O, P, S. R combination. R, Br, Kr, Dr, Fr, Gr, Or, Pr, Sr, Tr, Please watch carefully. I'll show you the video of the mouth. L, B, K, D, L, F, G, L, O, P, S, T, O. R, Br, Kr, Dr, Fr, Gr, Or, Pr, Sr, Tr, These are the words that is applied to all these sounds.
Algebra, bar, bling, bring, clean, cream, candle, dry, elephant, teacher, flea, free, glass, grass, illustrator, circle, lol, orange, play, pray, sly, Sri Lanka, title, try, soul, turtle.
Did you hear the difference? If you pronunciate the word differently than American, it is very difficult to communicate. Please follow as many as you can. Only practice make you perfect. If you are tuned with this alphabet sound, you can hear this. Number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 2, I'll put red rose in the vase. What did you hear? Hope you had what I said. Thanks for watching. Good luck and please practice as many as you can.